Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is types of punishment in IPC. So types of punishment in IPC. First, death sentence. Second, life imprisonment. Third, imprisonment, rigorous and simple. And forfeiture of property and fines. What is death sentence? A death sentence is a government sanctioned sentence imposed by a court where a person is executed for a crime they commit. According to a report from July 2018, 56 countries have retained the death penalty, while 106 countries have abolished the death penalty completely for all crimes. It is also called capital punishment. The Supreme Court in the case Mashi Singh versus the State of Punjab broadened the conclusion contained in Bachchan Singh. Here are some observations made by the court. A death sentence can only be ordered in the arrest of rare cases. Before imposing the death penalty, the circumstances of the offender should be taken into account. The death penalty may only be imposed if the life sentence is actually consistent with the offence committed by the offender. Before deciding on the death penalty, account should be taken of both attenuating and aggravating circumstances and of mitigating factors. In the case of Jagmohan Singh versus Uttar Pradesh, the Supreme Court ruled that the approach to imposing the death penalty should be balanced against the attenuating and aggravating circumstances of the offences. However, in the case of Bachchan Singh, this approach was first challenged by changes to the CRPC. In line with the amendment to CRPC for murder, the offender is punishable by life imprisonment. After due consideration of the amendment, the court ruled that the death penalty may be applied only in special cases. What is life imprisonment? Life imprisonment means imprisonment for the entire remaining period of the natural life of the convict until the last breath. But in practice, this is not the case. Consistent with Section 56 of the Indian Penal Code, in any case where a life sentence may be imposed, the government concerned may, without the consent of the offender, alter any depiction of imprisonment for a period not exceeding 14 years. Section 57 provides that when calculating the sentence, the life sentence may be equated to a term of imprisonment of up to 20 years. Types: imprisonment, rigorous and simple. Rigorous imprisonment. In the case of rigorous imprisonment, the offender performs heavy work such as chopping corn, digging the ground, taking water, chopping wood, moving the grass, etc. Simple imprisonment. Simple imprisonment is forced for all offences like wrongful restraint, defamation. Forfeiture of property. Forfeiture of property means taking the property of criminals by the state as a punishment. The death penalty of the total forfeiture of all property of criminals has been abolished except for the following offences. Section 126 of the Indian Penal Code, committing depredation on territories of power at peace with the government of India. Section 127 of IPC, receiving property taken by war or depredation. The Section 169 of IPC, the property purchased or bid by a public servant unlawfully. Fines. Fines. The court may order the fine as an alternative to the imprisonment sentence or may consider it in addition to the imprisonment sentence. In some case, the fine is counted along with the sentence of imprisonment. So in this presentation we discussed all 5 points like death sentence, rigorous imprisonment, life imprisonment, fines and forfeiture of property. So this is all about types of punishment in IPC. If you have any question related to this topic, please mention in the comment box. And this video is not for any kind of promotion and advertisement, etc. etc. It is only for education purpose. Please like this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company channel. And thank you and have a nice day.